friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dark Light Survivor game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC first and then try to launch the game and check. So simply click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run the game as admin. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK. And after that, launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that, launch the game and check if you can play it. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version, Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. Now, if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, simply go to the game folder, select the application and add it to the list over here. Now, after adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and now under general here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to stop overclocking CPU or GPU settings. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows update, then click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next solution is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to resolve the problem and you can be into the game once again. Next is to close background apps. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process, here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select them and after that right click on it, click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphic settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder, add the application to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, here you have to select the game, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference, you have to select high performance and after that launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have already provided the link in the description, just copy and paste it in your browser. So the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it, wait for some time. Once it is completed, close this. Now restart your PC and after that log into the game and check. If following the all methods, if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall Dark Light Survivor game once again and then click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not. So these are few solutions that are suggested to fix Dark Light Survivor game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.